Hi folks, it's Cajun here from the Kidzeum. Today we're going to be talking about our Monday craft, which just happens to be Oobleck. Now Oobleck is a colloidal non-Newtonian fluid, which basically means it's not quite a solid and it's not quite a liquid, but it's both, depending on if it has energy or not. So in this case, we will be taking cornstarch, just regular cornstarch here, and water. Now, the nice thing about this is really all it takes. A little bit of cornstarch, a little bit of water. Usually it's 2 parts cornstarch to 1 part water. So what you're going to do is you're just going to mix in a little bit of water here. I personally like to eyeball it and mix it. Now, when you're doing this, you just want to mix it until your finger can gently pass through it. If you do too much water, it'll be a little bit runny, and there's really nothing you can do except wait. But if that does happen, it's not too big of a deal. Once you've mixed in your water with the cornstarch, I would usually say to let it sit for a few minutes, but you don't really have to. Now, a colloidal substance is a substance that is 2 things, but actually seems like 1. So peanut butter is a good example of a colloidal substance. So is jelly. Now in this case, right here, see, I'm going to pour this into my hand. That looks like a liquid, right? Pretty interesting. But as long as I keep this moving, it actually takes on the property of a solid here. See? Pretty cool, right? And then as soon as I stop, it goes back to being a liquid. Pretty neat, huh? This is very easy to make at home. It's very easy to maintain. If you want to reuse this, I strongly suggest just leaving the container open inside your fridge. That way the fridge will actually dry it out for you. In the meantime, though, this is a great thing that you can do with your kids, or if you have your parents' permission kids, you can do it yourself. It's a lot of fun to play with. It can be a little bit messy, so I suggest doing it at the dinner table. But the more you play with it, the drier it gets, and then you can find a consistency that you like. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that you go try it for yourself. Take care, folks.